That's the reason there's wind chill warnings and advisories going out. Now, they go up this afternoon. They'll go all the way through about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Why do we end them at 10 o'clock in the morning? Because I think after that point, the winds start to go down just a little bit. We're talking about wind chills in the advisory area dropping down to about 24 degrees below zero. The winds will be stronger here than what they will be here, but these temperatures will be colder. So that's why the wind chill index will drop to about 30 degrees below zero from Worcester County and northwest. If you like company, there's a lot of misery in this one. Look at this. The eastern two-thirds of the United States has some type of wind chill warning, advisory, or freeze advisory going on. All the way down to Florida, we're talking about this cold temperatures. Anything this side of the Rockies is going to be very, very cold later tonight and tomorrow morning. In Boston right now, it's relatively mild. 23 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Westerly wind, though, is a little busy. 22 miles per hour, giving us a wind chill index, or how it feels out there, 8 degrees above zero. So you get the idea. We have a lot of cold air sitting up here. Now, these are air temperatures. These are not wind chill indexes. This is what we're talking about, like Moose City at 22 degrees below zero. This air is just coming straight at us. It's almost 40 degrees warmer here in Boston than what it is up to the north, so that cooled air is going to come in. So how does it look? Well, this is our time lapse of what's going to happen with our temperatures. So as we head through the afternoon, you see our temperatures in the teens and 20s, but look at how the temperatures just kind of keep dropping and dropping and dropping all the way through tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, with temperatures like this, below zero, most areas outside the city, then we add that wind to it. That's why the wind chill index will run anywhere between 20 and 30 degrees below zero. What's interesting, we don't get to zero very often in Boston. The last time we were below zero was back on January 24th, 2011. Our coldest temperatures last winter was 2 degrees above zero. We hit that on 3 days, but you remember that, January 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. It was really, really cold with all that snow going on. So what happens when this cold air comes in? Shocks the atmosphere. There's not much moisture to work with, but there is enough, and this is a fast-moving cold front. As it comes through, it puts down these snow squalls. And you get the idea. It's only about 10, 15 miles wide. It's a very brief area that we're talking about, but you know what we saw up in New Hampshire last week? You get a brief burst of snow like that, it makes visibility go down very, very quickly and makes the roads very slippery as well. So watch what happens. See this little area out here to the west? About 2 o'clock in the afternoon, this afternoon, is when I think we'll be seeing those snow squalls around. So be careful about that. If you're driving later in the commute, I think it probably will be pushing its way offshore very quickly, and we won't have to worry about that at all for tonight. So keep that in mind as we talk about this forecast. Bitter cold in place, and we've got another chance of seeing some snow coming in here for Friday. Fast-moving system. Looks like it'll all be light stuff that we're talking about. Here's your 7-day forecast, and this is the way it looks today. Just those brief snow squalls. Watch out for that. Tomorrow, a frigid start to the day. Friday, perhaps a little bit of light snow, but look at that. We're warming up. We head to the weekend. Temperatures in the 20s and 30s. Perhaps another chance of seeing some flurries on Sunday. But overall, you get the idea. Tomorrow is the coldest of the cold, and added to it, we're going to have the wind on top of it. So do bundle up. Make sure you give yourself plenty of extra time in the morning, because I know you and your car are going to be starting very, very slow tomorrow morning. Erica?